सचराचर जगति की सचराचर जगति की श्री सद्गुरु अभिनाहुडगुचु चलगुचु हरिवर निंबनी केडिगी కంటి పంట సగలంట దానముని వెంట నంటి పడిని కరుడు ఎంటి పట్టు ప్రియదేవ మౌని జన కంటకునదిలించి పట్టుల కట్టు దిగిర ధరణికినుడపై అంట వ్యక్తి సింహని చేసెను పుష్పంసలు పాడియాడ పొగడ కోరుల చేరువల్ విముక్తి చేయి కొరకు పరిమాతను శేషగిరి నిలయుడు కుదుర మంగళం నృసింహ దివ్య మంగళాంగతే భవతు మంగళం విలాస విద్రుతమానిరాగతే.
I was just listening to everybody talk and I came here because as a Kuchipudi dancers I've been hearing so much about the trios, Chinta, Krishnamurti Garu. We read so much about them, we heard so much about them. And recently in Bangalore, we did the centenary celebrations of one of the dance masters, Krishna Rao, in Bharatanatyam. It was a 3 days festival. Dancers from all over the world came to give the gurus their obeisance. There was an exhibition of all beautiful photos of the gurus right from his childhood. I think the Bharatanatyam dancers will know U.S. Krishna Rao and Chandrabhaga Devi. They're a well-known couple. The centenary celebrations, the Karnataka Sangeeta Nritya Academy had taken the lead, and a 3 days festival reproducing. We brought about a CD, the Parampara followed by U.S. Krishna Rao. We had an exhibition and all this. I was expecting, not in my mind, but in the practicality, but in my mind I visual that a Guru centenary who's contributed so much to Kuchipudi must be like that. All the Kuchipudi dancers, irrespective of which Guru they come from, must come for such occasions, I personally feel, and that's why I'm here. Why? The daughters, I think one of the daughters of Chinta Garu's family was saying, today we need not only for Kuchipudi Yakshagana Sutradhara, we need a Sutradhara to bring all the Kuchipudi dancers under one roof, and I glory of that Yakshagana which I read, which I visualize, because I come from a very traditional family. Dr. Gubbi Veerana, who was Andhra Kala Sarvabhauma. He did a lot of theatre. Today you see Surabhi Theatre in Andhra. The Surabhi Theatre people took a lot of inspiration from Gubbi Veerana's drama theatre. That's what I heard. So I can visualize what Yakshagana was, and I must tell you, I'm in love with Yakshagana. Because that gives the individuality to the foundation of Kuchipudi is in the Yakshaganas. Later, we are today solo is seen everywhere. But then, what that flavor when that singer sings, and when that Sutradharas and the Vachika Abhinaya, I think all the Kuchipudi dancers must revive this. Not that we should not do solo. And with that intention, I had read that Siddhendra Yogi was in, Narayana Tirtha was in Udupi Mutt, So I chose Udupi as the center, and we did a 3 days festival called Festival of Yakshas. And for me to get 3 good teams who will present the Yakshaganas which we read was such a difficult task. I took the help of Keshav Prasad Garu. I said, give me 3 original Yakshagana groups, because you will be surprised that in Karnataka, for 3 years now, the Yakshagana groups are completely booked. For 3 years we can't get Yakshagana groups. They are overflowing with bookings because the temple authorities have taken. It has become like a seva. So the temple, what they do, they take one Yakshagana group as their own family. Probably it can be an idea for, for the government to revive it. That's why I'm saying this. So when the temple takes, they fix, the Yakshagana will go from temple to temple. All the abharanas are kept. They are worshipped. On a very auspicious day, they read the Ramayana. The characters are given. And like this, they tour for 3 continuous months. What is missing there is Gurukula. Here we have Gurukula. There, in the morning, the Yakshagana artist will know what role he is doing and he will do. He doesn't train under a guru. That is missing there. Here you have such fantastic gurus. I think it is the responsibility of every artist. Why I feel bad that I'm not a Kuchipudi Papandi is because I know the ideas, but I don't know the language so well. I can understand. But to reproduce the language is my difficulty. If I would have had that, probably I would have become so much involved in rebringing this Yakshagana format. Take the essence of the past. I think this is very essential today, and I think that it is it's not that I'm talking, it's my Purva Janma Samskara that I'm able to be here amidst these family people, grasp in my mind, grasp into my body. And in this, I want to just answer you. Of course, definitely, maybe we cannot bring out, because we don't have it in our blood, the breath of Kuchipudi. But we have the passion, the dedication, and that feeling, I don't belong to this land and I must not do wrong. And I think many outsiders also have contributed very immensely, and I feel even a drop can add so much to the ocean. Everybody has to contribute because it is our culture, our art. I wish this beginning here starts today, and each one of us will work to reviving the glory of Yakshagana. Thank you.